Okay, I apparently haven't started my left 2D model yet. Let me rectify that real quick. Well, okay, so yeah, pardon me for the scuff here because just a few minutes ago I was informed of a somewhat surprising occurrence. Okay, okay, the layout is now online. Let me quietly turn this up again. Okay, so yeah, a few minutes ago, literally, I was just informed that Nvidia apparently had a leak. They had a leak, and the reason for the leak is very interesting. The first gateway being that they actually left the GraphQL playground on their backend wide open. That is definitely not something that I expected to hear today. But how the hell does Nvidia forgot to basically not deploy GraphQL playground on production? And that is, yeah, it was like, wow, big companies can make such huge mistakes too. Anyway, today's topic is kind of related to that, but in a totally different way. Yeah, I'm talking about the web specifically. So yeah, the next technology dives will be talking about Windows Server technologies. And for today, what I have chosen to go with is the Internet Information Services. So yeah, let me check here. Okay, I think I can proceed now. Yeah, so a recap of Windows Server, the last week stream. Yeah, so Windows Server is basically Microsoft's Windows Server operating system offering. And they have a lot of services that is installable on Windows Server, but yeah, today we're going to look at one of the most popular services, the web server, the Internet Information Services. Well, today basically I'm just going to cover basic deployment. I will elaborate on that later. But yeah, IIS is a big piece of software, and admittedly I have not got the time that I needed. So yeah, today's will be kind of short. And yeah, let's talk about the Windows web server. So yeah, IIS, as it's called, is Microsoft web server. If you look at its history, IIS actually has existed for a long time, since the Windows NT days. And now it's at IIS 10. Yeah, that's the same version number for Windows 10. Anyway, okay. I think I have experienced some trouble on actually starting up the Windows server. So yeah, I have said that it is going to be short. But yeah, it might be Yeah, it might be a bit complicated, but okay, I will definitely need to figure out a way to actually, yeah, okay, to yeah, actually access it. So, well, I'll try to troubleshoot those problems. I will also try to my best to present it. Okay, so let me check here. Yeah, so let's continue on to the next topic. Okay, where is it? Yeah. So the installation of Internet Information Services can be done in the Server Manager. It's also installable from various means, like I think you can add it to the command line too. Yeah, it's installable from Windows Server. So if you go to the Add Roles and Features menu in Server Manager, and then you see the roles menu, you should be able to see the Internet Information Services on the list. Also, IIS has its own administration interface. Okay. Oh. Okay, yeah. Okay, wow. Okay, yeah. I'm continuing to have troubles in setting up. Whoa, yeah, today is kind of scary. But yeah, let's continue with the next page here. And so yeah, IIS features a lot of features that you would expect from a web server. You know, it can serve files, it can run as an application server, and it also can run. Yeah, it also has features like HTTPS and then authentication. The usual stuff you might want to do with a web server like IIS. And the configuration of IIS can be done through the administration application that I mentioned earlier. Did I? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I will set up the Windows server later. Okay, so it's a bit scuffed here, but yeah, Iis offers a lot of common features from the web servers. And yeah, the Iis is able to host ASP.NET Core applications with with a little help. I think it requires a hosting bundle. In this particular stream, I'm going to demonstrate Internet Information Services with an empty ASP.NET Core project, and I will try to deploy it to a Windows server with Internet Information Services. And I believe that this is the best use case Iis is for. Like, yeah, the integration with Microsoft technology is pretty neat. We can also try something different, and we can try to deploy PHP applications on the Internet Information Services. I will probably want to try to do this on stream too. The test application that we will be deploying is WordPress. So yeah, I will try with both ASP.NET Core and PHP on this stream. And it involves a certain technology called the CGI, Common Gateway Interface, the standard that allows communication between the web server and the application runtime like PHP. And so I will actually try to deploy PHP on this particular stream. And yeah, this is a short one, and yeah, why the Internet Information Services? I think that a lot of the reasoning on why Windows Server also applies on the Iis. Yeah, first of all, it's tight integration with Microsoft technologies like .NET. The fact that it's bundled with Windows Server, and it also has a graphical configuration interface. As with Windows Server, ultimately, I think it depends on what you learn first. Windows is certainly very popular in that aspect. Really popular, so I have no wonder that a lot of people know about Windows XP. Windows Server. Why am suddenly saying XP? Yeah, I was a bit distracted there, but yeah, I meant Windows Server. Yeah, a lot of people has used Windows, and Windows Server would feel right at home with them. But there are some people who work with Linux on their day-to-day work and would prefer using them, and that's fine too. Yeah. But yeah, I do think Windows Server has an advantage in familiarity because a lot of people uses Windows. And now here is the time I might need to debug things. Yeah, I was supposed to deploy an application on Iis, but I had some troubles. And not so. I had some trouble trying to stream the Windows Server interface here, and I'm currently trying to troubleshoot that. Now let me try. Okay, let me try in actually trying to get this to run. Okay, it's trying to make things work here. Okay, I'm opening the Windows Server interface in here. Let me, yeah, I'm currently using the Hetzner Cloud uh, console interface. Okay, yeah, I think I have some troubles. Okay, let me identify the, okay, okay. This does not look so, this does not look so good right now. It says no network access for some reason. I think I need to restart. Still no network access. That was fun. Okay, let me actually check how to configure this thing. Okay, this is kind of annoying right now. I'm currently trying to troubleshoot before I actually start doing work on deployment. Okay, try to fire up the troubleshooter. Can I? I don't seem able to actually diagnose stuff. Like there are no troubleshooters in this thing whatsoever. So that's kind of neat right now. Okay, I might need to restart the server and actually see if this works. Because yeah, this is not a good one. Ah. The joys of trying to troubleshoot Windows is weaving its head. Granted, I have been doing that something that no one should be doing, and it's actually deploying remote desktop connection over the internet. But yeah, the server is kind of a practice server that I don't really use for anything significant. That means if I took this server down, it won't be that critical to the operations of my own. But yeah, I'm still trying to figure out something. Okay, still no network access, apparently. Okay, thank you Windows Diagnostics. Now I can actually try something here. Now, okay, let me... Okay, now let's start doing port forwarding here. Connection reviews. I really need to change the RDP port. Oh, the registry. Yeah. So, yeah, you're not looking at anything right now, but yeah, I have to touch the registry in order to make this thing even connect at all. Okay, so regedit it. Okay, system. Okay, add key local machine system current control set. Okay, my mouse is having a bit of trouble. Terminal server Win station. RDP TCP. Port number, decimal value, and let's put something up more upper here. Okay, let's do that. And closing the registry editor, and I have to restart the computer to make sure it works. Closing regedit and restarting the computer. Okay, let me check if this actually worked now. I still cannot. Nice. Okay, I might need to enable the okay, yeah. Okay, it might be the firewall in action. Thank you. Okay, yeah, this stream turned into a this stream actually turned into a Windows Server troubleshooting time. Kinda love when that happens. And also, what the heck? Okay, where the heck is my console? Okay, nope. Okay, no, not here. Okay, let me check here. Okay, it says add an app. Okay, let me check in advanced settings. Okay, it's a lot. Okay, I am trying to allow the port in Windows Firewall. Okay, I have opened something in the firewall. Let me check if this works. Nope. Thank you so much for this. Okay, I did it. Did I do it? Okay, my Redmond desktop is finally back online, so I can finally actually demonstrate the topic of this stream. So yeah, let me minimize this and let's finally move on to the remote desktop. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Windows. Ouch. Okay, where is it? Remote desktop. Okay, here you go. This is okay. I'm finally back at the remote desktop. Okay, okay. There's apparently some stop services here, but okay. I actually have Iis installed in here. And I can demonstrate it by moving it away to my browser right here. Let me check on that. Yuki, hello. What happened? Basically, I had a bit of trouble trying to connect to the remote desktop on my Windows server. So yeah, I have to jump to some hoops, but finally we are actually at the demonstration. I can actually finally demonstrate Internet Information Services. Let me move away this and check out. Okay, I have way too many tabs open right now. Way too many windows open right now. I have been doing some stuff. Yeah. This is the default Internet Information Services page. That's the default one, and as you can see there, okay, let me just put it here. Yes, this is the Iis window, and as you can see, yeah, it's kind of neat here. The Iis starting page, welcome, and its various languages. OBS crashed at the moment I tried to switch. OBS just crashed. So yeah, today is a really fun stream, I guess, with the amount of hoops that I have to jump through. But yeah, here we have Iis, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check out the Iis Manager. This is some nice one. So you can see here the configuration available. Yeah, you can see the default configuration like compression, authentication, default document, directory browsing, etc. HTTP redirects, response headers, and even worker processes. So yeah, we also have multiple sites in here. So yeah, we're going to deploy two websites. One is an ASP.NET Core application, a sample one. And the second one is WordPress. First, I might need to set up some IP. Yeah, I need to set up some DNS stuff, so yeah, we can point to them directly after this stream. Yeah, the setup, we can point directly to the website with domain names. The setup is not in here, obviously, because it's sensitive information. Okay, I added both of the entries. So first of all, we will need to have a new Okay, we will need okay, we will need a new one here. Okay, let me open. Okay, I'm currently opening Visual Studio Code here. I'm not switching to it yet because sensitive information. Okay, I have opened the project here. Let me check. And I'm switching to the VS Code. Okay, I'm opening VS Code here. Okay, here you go. Yeah. So this is our folder where we will deploy our own yeah, example ASP.NET Core application. So let's do a new project. .NET new. Okay, I forgot how to make it. Make one. .NET new web app. .NET. And then I'm going to publish it directly. First of all, let's actually run it and see what it looks like on localhost. Okay, let me switch to the Microsoft Edge window here. Okay, let me see this. It does not. Where is it? Yep, hello. So yeah, this is the example application that we will deploy. And then what I'm going to do, I actually just publish the executable before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to package it up to a zip, and then I'll move it to. Okay, I'm going to move the publish objects to a folder here. Okay, let me. Okay, I'm currently trying to just zip stuff up. Okay, I have that package up, and I'm going to copy that to the server that we have here. I'll switch later, but yeah, for now I'm moving it away. I'm also copying the .NET hosting bundle because that thing is the one we need to actually host .NET applications. Malam Dami, halo Ron Carter. Sekarang lagi deploy. We are now deploying Windows ASP.NET Core application onto Internet Information Services. Just a really basic example that I can whip up right now. But yeah, here is a sample project, and I'm going to deploy that thing over Around 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. While that happens, I can I can do to extract. Okay, I cannot click on that one, so I will need to whip up a new folder and then open this up and extract. And I am going to extract it here. And we have our ASP.NET application running. I'm still copying this stuff. Around 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Okay, while waiting, we can explore some of the features that the Iis has. Okay, dynamic and static content compression. Settings like that. Authentication, we can set up anonymous authentication. ASP.NET impersonation, that's interesting. Okay, so error pages, we can set it up. I cannot, yeah, you can see here. Yeah, it basically just directs certain status codes to pages. And then there's like handle mappings. I think we will touch this later when we deploy PHP. Okay, it's still copying, and it's around 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. It's pretty long copying RDP. The download only took me around yeah, very quick, in like 10 seconds or something. But when it comes to uploading, yeah, RDP is not too great for this stuff. Okay, 5 seconds remaining. We are going to install this hosting bundle in a bit. Okay, yeah, let's install it. .NET hosting, ASP.NET 5. I agree to the license terms and conditions. Please restart IIS after the installation completes. Okay, yeah, let's install it. Okay, let's restart IIS. Restart. And it's restarted. Now I'm going to refer to the, yeah. Microsoft provides documentation on how to deploy ASP.NET Core applications for the IIS. Yeah, first we will need to add the website here. Let's go to the sites and right click on this and select add website. Okay, yeah, I'm going to put this here. I'm going to name the site name here as ASP.NET Core example. And for the physical path, I'm going to choose the folder that we put our applications here. And then let's see. Okay, authentication. Okay, with access. Okay, for the host name, I'm going to use the one that I put here, net.sophie.nano.my. And then let's go to start website immediately. Okay, so yeah, apparently that's it. From what I read, apparently that's the thing. Yeah, that's the entire process. Okay, let me now check the browser page, and indeed it does that. Yeah, there's now this example right here. Yeah, it's yeah, Microsoft made deploying a .NET website so much easier. If you use the Internet Information Services, you literally just need to install the hosting bundle first, and then add a site, point it to the directory, and that's it. Literally, that's the process. And yeah, I can see why. Yeah, the IIS is quite amazing for integration with Microsoft technology. Okay, so I guess the next step is to deploy a PHP website. And then yeah, and then we can let's see if we can actually install WordPress on the on the Internet Information Services, because that is going to be quite interesting. Okay, first of all, yeah, of course, we need to install PHP first. Yeah, first of all, let's install PHP first, and okay. I'm downloading PHP Windows first. Okay, yeah. PHP does provide a Windows version. Okay, so there are quite a lot of there's a bit of instruction on downloading the PHP version for the IIS, but they say that we should be using the non-thread safe version. So that's what I'm downloading. Okay, I am currently downloading both the PHP runtime and the distributable that it looks like it's required. BTW, udah pernah nonton 1444, don't talk about that ever again, please. Okay, the download for PHP is complete. I'm going to copy that to the remote desktop connection. Here we go. PHP, the runtime is coming soon. And then I'm going to also download a database server. Okay, there's a Windows installer. I'm going to download that one. And then, okay, let me copy here the PHP runtime. Okay, the PHP runtime is still copying apparently. So I'm going to move to another one. Okay, I forgot that I have actually completed the installation, like, and forgot to actually close. Okay, those two things are still copying. I got to be patient. Okay, I think I'm going to cancel the second copy because I want to copy both. Okay, yeah. Okay, the PHP is copied, and now we're going to check on that one. Okay. For now, let's check out the PHP installation that we have here. Okay. And then let's extract this thing to another folder that we have here. C applications. Localhost database. Yes, localhost database. Soalnya because the current production database is basically it's in containers and I cannot access that. Aku nggak bisa akses database yang aku pakai soalnya dia di dalam container. It's in Docker, so I will need some kind of proxying to actually accomplish that. Not fun. Oh, and also I forgot to switch to the remote desktop here. Silly. Oke, BTW kapan nge-live 24 jam nonton gak ngapa-ngapain? Yeah. I would prefer to stream a 24-hour video of me just playing my favorite songs. But I think, I get why you would say that. Ya, kalau pengennya sih 24 jam muter musik sih. Yeah, but that might be for another time. That one sounds like quite the idea, but the that we'll have to wait for later. Okay, so the official documentation for yeah, the official documentation here requires asks you to download the WinCache and extension. Okay, but it has problems, so I'm not going to install that. And now the instructions ask us to. Okay, the copying is still not done here. We will do it later, I guess. Okay, okay, I also forgot to download the application that I want to use here. WordPress. Okay, while we wait for that, I'm going to set up a PHP in here. Okay, let me check here. So we first need to check on the system settings. We need to add the PHP path. Okay, settings, advanced system settings, and then we can see environment variables. And we're going to edit the system properties and add the PHP path, application PHP. And then let's OK that, and we can open up a new terminal. Terminal. And we can check if we can run PHP. Nope. Oh, it extracted. Okay, that was an incident. I actually extracted the PHP to the application's root, not the subfolder. I thought I extracted it to the subfolder. Okay, so explosive zips. It's really fun stuff. So now what I have to do is create a new folder, name it PHP, and then copy all the extra stuff. Okay, cut and paste it here. And then let's see if we can. Okay, let's open terminal again, and then see if we can. Okay, echo path. We messed up the naming slightly there. Okay, it should be applications like this. And then let's restart the terminal. PHP warning: system32 feature runtime is not compatible with this PHP build link. Okay. We're going to install the Redis distributable that we have here. Installing that one. Setup successful, and let's see if we can do this. Okay, it works now. And then let's install MariaDB. Next. Okay, it has a Adhie SQL, and for this root password, I'm going to type in. Okay, I think I will need to retype this. Okay, you of course cannot see this, and if I reveal this on stream it will be disastrous. Install as a service, enable networking. Okay, install. Okay, it's running the DB installation. Okay, it's finished. Now what we will do is we restart the Internet Information Services. Okay, and then we're going to check out handler mappings. Here we need to add a model mapping here. For the request path, we set up asterisk.php, so all PHP files. For the models, we need to okay, we need to, I think we need to install an additional roles for this. So add roles and features. Server selection, feature roles, the web server here, and we need to install CGI. And then yeah, confirmation. Okay, install. Okay, we can close this wizard without interrupting the running task, but we're going to keep this open because we definitely need this. Okay, it looks like that it could take quite a while, so we are going to create the database for our WordPress here. Okay, create a new session, and we are going to connect. We're going to connect here with localhost and open. TCP/IP. Okay. The specified model could not be loaded. Please select a different one. Okay, we have this. Now let's create. Okay, so okay, let's first create a new user here. Let's name it WordPress. Yeah, password is shown here, so I'm just going to use this password again. And let's save that one. We're going to move this aside, and because we need to, okay, we will create. We will need to create a new database. Oh, my password is there. God dang it. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Heidi SQL. Oof. Now I have to go change my passwords everywhere. I want to ask how I know that my JavaScript code is working. Depends on the platform. If you're working in the front end, the developer console is your best friend. The developer tools. If you're running on the back end, you can see the console output. You can see the console output of the application. And if you're running on front end, the developer console is your best friend. Anyways, I'm so going to have to change my password after this. Great job, Heidi SQL. Okay, I'm just going to clear the lock somehow, some way. Okay, clear it. Okay, ya. Siapa di sini yang pernah bikin akun tapi 50 tahun kemudian malah lupa sama password sendiri? Pakai password manager. That piece of software is really helpful. I use a password manager nowadays, so and it also has a feature where they can see exposed passwords, same passwords, that kind of stuff. So it's yeah, it's getting pretty easy for me to actually change the passwords on those stuff. But then again, great job. Yeah, great job myself for actually exposing my password on stream. Okay, now I'm going to create a database here. Wow. Okay, let's run that query and user manager and assign. Okay, add object. Okay, WordPress. Okay, let's give everything. Also, good idea to change the password here to 6 characters like this, and then copy that one, put it on this console because we will need it later. Anyways, yeah, I am going to change my password after this. God dang it. Gotta love that when this happens. So it's like right click and then inspect. Yes, you can access. Yeah, the developer tools can be accessed with. Yeah, with the right click inspect element. Okay, I will need to collect myself after this incident. Okay, we have created a database here, so now we can return back to the we can return back to Internet Information Services. We start server and then we can. Okay, there's the CGI CGI mapping, so we can choose this fast CGI model. And then for the executable, we can just click on PHP. Speedrun change password. Fortunately, I have a software that does that for me. It's not that fatal, but yeah, I will definitely need to change my password everywhere after this. What the heck did I just do there? Okay, create this. And then we need to set up default documents. And let's add index.php on the list. And now it's done. And then we need to add our PHP application here, so we're going to need to add a website here. Okay, site name, let's see PHP. WordPress, I mean. And then, okay, I have the copy of WordPress here. Now let's just copy it over to the desktop, to the server. Okay, it's copying. Now let me go away while I'm changing my passwords. Okay, especially the important ones, because Okay, yeah. This is an incredibly fun experience to have. Okay, changed my password. And okay, while I'm waiting for the copying to finish, I'm going to change my password in the meantime. Whew. Ooh. Okay, we use 29 times and others I don't really care. Okay, we have WordPress copied and we can check the folder here and make sure that I don't explode stuff like before again. Whew. Okay, let's go to the applications and copy our WordPress folder right here. And now we can return back to our website and see applications WordPress. And for our hostname, let's use the hostname that we set up earlier. I think it's this one. And then start the website immediately. Uncaught error, failed opening required. VPW includes the load.php is not found. Okay, yeah, I realized that the extraction is not instant. I have to wait for a while. Yeah, let's wait for that copying to complete extraction, and then after that we are going to be great. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's still not yet clear here, but okay, I am currently investigating something what my password manager. Just what the heck has happened? Oh my god, I okay, what the heck? Yeah, everything just suddenly just breaking away on my server right here. I'm going to edit some of the configurations. Ooh. Did I have to use the gateway? Okay, now I have arrived at the installation here, finally. Okay, I'm going to switch from speedrun the change password, speedrun the ban pemerintah, let's go. I might have been in the list because of a security vulnerability that I discovered a few months ago, but yeah. Okay, let me go with WordPress configuration. Okay, we're just going to use English here. Welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. Okay, WordPress, I think. I'll need to recheck with my database thingy again. Boo. Okay, WordPress. I have my passwords. I have my password in here. Localhost and table prefix. Okay, let's submit. There has been a critical error on this website. Okay, let me see how to troubleshoot it. Okay, yeah. I will need to edit the configuration files here, okay? Just going to enable some of the common extensions. Okay, done doing that, and then I can turn off. Okay, close the php.ini, and then what again? Restart the Iis again. Okay. Iis, accidentally moved something there. Iis, let's do this again. Continue. Internal server error. Continue. Let's go. For our password, okay, let's copy it from the terminal again. Fun stuff. Okay, we have our password copied, and then let's do this. Internal server error. There is a problem with the resource you're looking for and it cannot be displayed. Okay, so we need to look at the logs. Okay, Iis. Okay, I need to check the log location here. Inetpub logs log files. Okay. Okay, I'm still troubleshooting through the server here, but at least. Okay, permission to the folder logs log files. Okay, get more access here. You don't have permission to open this file. Okay, this is kind of weird. Okay, okay, we got ourselves into an internal server error somewhat in this, somehow. So yeah, I'm trying to just set up this thing right here. Okay, I might know something about this. Okay, let's actually go back to the PHP configuration file. Okay. Okay, yeah. I enabled error reporting and I'm going to restart the Iis server again. Well, yeah. Yeah, compared. Bless you. Yeah, that. Yeah, the fact that it happens on stream is kind of curious. But yeah, it's kind of why .NET Core is, I think, is the best use case for deploying yeah, on the Internet Information Services. It's because this kind of thing happened. You have to dive more into the details, and it's easier to just use Linux if you're into PHP. It's just so much easier to use PHP on Linux. Okay, Okay, I will need to check the event log in here. Yeah, it should be in tools in server manager. Event viewer. We're starting. Okay, we're starting the Internet Information Services again just to make sure. There has been a critical error on this side. Unable to open dynamic library, open SSL. Okay, I should probably not enable that. So yeah, the fix is kind of simple. We just do not open SSL. Okay, for the extension, we just don't need to enable that. It does not work. Save. We start the Internet Information Services. And we do our restart in here. Okay, still a critical error. Let's see the event log again. Refresh. The specified model could not be found. Okay, now that's interesting. Oh, okay. It tried to look up at that path. I will need to check in the php.ini configuration. Okay, I will need to change. Okay, yeah, the extension there. Okay, just to deal with this, I might actually move out. Okay. Okay, doing this again. Okay, still a critical error. Let me check the event log again. Call to undefined function MySQL connect. Huh? Okay. What the heck? Okay, I'm restarting IIS again. Okay, let me check the chat. Okay, yeah, this is getting a bit too frustrating. Okay, let me return to the installation path. English. Okay, the password, the WordPress, and then submit. Unable to write the WP config file. Okay, I'm writing into that folder as we speak. let's run the installation. Okay, for information needed, I will going to just paste. Yeah, okay, we copy this password. We will not need it after this. Enter my email, not this email, the test email. Discourage search engines from indexing this site, because if this got indexed, it will be too funny. This is a test installation. Okay, so there you go, WordPress installation running on the Internet Information Services. Welcome to WordPress. We've assembled some links to get you started. Let's visit our site. And yeah, we have our WordPress website finally online. Dang it, that is quite the experience. Yeah, this is comparatively extremely scuffed, especially because my password got leaked there. Yay, finally! Yep, I did not expect the deployment of PHP stuff to be much like this. Okay, so yeah, I hope tomorrow is not as scuffed. Tomorrow will be mostly waiting, fortunately. So yes. Okay, I am going to quickly end the stream. That is a tiring experience. Also, I have to change my passwords after this. Thank you. So yeah, that's the end of the today's stream. Despite the stream being so scuffed, I hope this could be at least a bit useful to see the difference between deploying. Yeah, at least to see the difference between the deployment of ASP.NET Core application and PHP applications, and the hoops that I need to jump to. But at least it works. At least it finally freaking works. And so, okay, yeah. Okay, I am going to, yeah. I'm ending the stream right now. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching this particularly scuffed stream of of internet deployment. Yeah, and see you tomorrow on the next progress bar. I have to go change my password quickly.